Wow, what a nice day to eat my Subway. Can't... Juicy, delicious sandwich. No, Ginger, it's not for you. Darn it, I thought I'd get my way this time. Subway. I can already smell it. Oh, yeah. Well, can't wait to bite this delicious Subway. Huh? Oh, great. I can eat my Subway now. Can't wait to eat my Subway. Ooh, is that Subway? Not for you. Please? No. A half? No. Please? No. A half? No. How about you mess with your new Sonic sheet? My new bed sheet! Dang it, it was a trap. Now, I can't wait to eat my delicious Subway. Yeah. This is my Subway now.
Yes. The Subway sandwich.
Two Subway
The Subway sandwich.
Yeah, they're both yeah. Luckily, I didn't knock over the Nintendo Switch. Oh, no, forget it. I can't wait to eat my Subway. It's a knuckle sandwich. A knuckle Subway sandwich. Oh my God, where are you coming from all the time? But where are any of you coming from all the time? What was? No, my Subway! Get back here! Wait! That's my Subway! Yay! Now, I can't wait to eat my Subway. To eat my. Not you, Ginger. Darn it! To eat my Subway. Feels good. Smell. Oh, I definitely can't wait to lay my hands on. You gotta be kidding me. It's my Subway. No, mine. Waddle dee. Kai! My Subway. I eat my Subway. Shut up. Get away from my Subway. Dibs. Whoever tells dibs, got it. Wait, no! Darn it. My Subway. Hey, Charles, I want to tell you something. I get my Subway back? No, you're a loser. That's rude to say to your sidekick. Extra.